A bun seller can never become a great man. That single taunt from the moneylender changed Rohan's life forever. Watch how a street bun seller built the most unique house in the village and silenced everyone. Suryapur was a small village where most people remained limited to their daily struggles and routine work. In this very village lived Rohan with his mother Kamini. He was a simple, honest, and hard-working young man. Rohan's father had passed away many years ago, and since then, all the responsibilities of the household rested on his mother's shoulders. Together, mother and son ran a small aloo bun stall at the corner of the market to make a living. The stall may have been small, but the dreams in Rohan's eyes were bigger than the sky itself. One evening, when Rohan returned home after closing the stall, there was a strange glow of hope on his face. He told his mother that he had received an opportunity to study at a prestigious design institute in the city. Kamini's eyes filled with joy. It felt as if all her sacrifices had finally paid off. But the very next moment, when their eyes fell on the heavy college fees, both of them fell silent. An unusual silence filled the room. The fees were far beyond what they could afford. Finally, seeking help, the mother and son went to the village's biggest moneylender. They hoped someone there would understand their helplessness. Instead, they were met with humiliation. The moneylender burst into loud laughter. He said, "A bun seller dreaming big is only wasting his time." Rohan broke from within. It felt as if the world had mocked his dreams. They returned empty-handed with heavy hearts. But giving up was never in Rohan's nature. When his friend Nisha saw him upset, she tried to guide him. She said, "If the world doesn't give you an opportunity, create your own." She made him think, "Why don't you do something different with what you make every day?" That night, Rohan stayed awake for a long time. Nisha's words echoed in his mind. The next morning, while heading to work, he witnessed an unusual sight on the road. An old man was sitting under a tree, weak and hungry. Without thinking twice, Rohan gave him his freshly made aloo bun. The old man smiled at him as if the direction of the wind had suddenly changed. In that moment, Rohan saw a new world, a world where buildings weren't made of bricks but inspired by the shapes of nature. There, he learned how even simple things could become innovative and sustainable designs. In a short time, his way of thinking transformed. He realized that design isn't learned only in colleges. After returning to the village, Rohan began building a unique structure in front of his house. It wasn't a palace, but inspired by the shape of an aloo bun. Round, strong, and balanced, it allowed cool air to flow inside and was filled with natural light. The villagers had never seen a house like this before. Slowly, the unique home was completed. It became the most beautiful and distinct structure in the village. Without delay, Nisha uploaded its pictures on social media. People loved the simplicity and sustainability of the design. Within hours, it went viral. Calls started coming from the city. Renowned colleges and companies reached out directly to Rohan. Scholarship offers followed. The same moneylender who once mocked Rohan came to apologize. He said, "I made a mistake in judging you. Your talent is truly extraordinary." Rohan replied calmly, "When thinking changes, even a small job can create a big identity." That day, Suryapur learned that talent has no boundaries. With courage and hard work, dreams are never small. And thus, a boy who once sold aloo buns became the greatest designer of his village, all because he dared to think differently.